In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Google Maps API to N8n in just 5 minutes. We'll go through this step by step to make sure your integration is seamless and effective. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Google Cloud Console account. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. It's a straightforward process. Simply navigate to the Google Cloud homepage and use your Google account credentials to sign in. This is where you'll manage the various APIs and services you'll be working with. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option labeled Projects. Click on it. This takes you to a page where you can manage your existing projects or start a new one. In our case, we'll want to click on New Project. This is a crucial step because it allows us to isolate our API usage under a specific project, making management and monitoring much easier. After clicking New Project, you'll need to name your project before continuing. Choose something descriptive but simple so you can easily identify what this project is for. Once you've settled on a name, click Create to generate your new project. Don't forget to make sure this project you've just created is selected, as you'll be enabling APIs for this particular project. Next, take a look at the navigation menu, which is your gateway to all of Google Cloud services. Click on the APIs and Services section. This area is where you'll enable and manage all the various Google APIs you might need. From there, head over to the Library section. The library is a repository where you can browse and discover all available APIs. Here, you will search for the specific Google Maps APIs that you need for your project. There's a variety of options, such as Maps JavaScript API, Geocoding API, and Places API, depending on your requirements. Once you find the API you need, click Enable. This grants your project access to Google's robust location-based data and services. With your chosen APIs enabled, proceed to the Credentials page. This is where you'll create access keys for your application. Select Plus Create Credentials, then click on API Key. Instantly, a new API key is generated for you. Make sure to copy it for safekeeping. It's vital to restrict this key before using it in a production environment to prevent unauthorized use and ensure security. Finally, you're ready to connect your API key to N8n. You can do this by using a dedicated Google Maps node within N8n for a streamlined setup. Alternatively, if you prefer more customization, you can opt for a generic HTTP request node. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your Google Maps API is all set to integrate with N8n, allowing you to harness powerful location-based data in your automated workflows. Thank you for watching, and I hope your integration is both successful and enlightening.